Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jai Lakshmi's World. Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken dum biryani. So I hope you all like it. Let's get started. Here I have some cashew nuts, some raisins and one onion which I have thinly sliced. I have ginger garlic which I have crushed. I have one large onion. I've taken some coriander leaves. Next I have two chopped tomatoes. I've taken 1 cup basmati rice. So this will serve for 4 people. I have whole spices, some bay leaf, some cardamom, some cloves, some shahi jeera and 1 cinnamon stick. And then these are the spices for our chicken curry. I have taken 500 grams chicken, to which I am adding turmeric powder, 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon of chicken masala, 1 spoon of garam masala and salt as per taste. We mix this spices with our chicken and let it marinate 35 to 40 minutes. So first thing first, let's start by heating up some oil in our pan. Make sure you use thick bottom pan. So first I have fried my cashew nut until they turn golden brown. So as you can see, they have turned golden brown. Now I throw in my raisins. So the raisins are also plump. Now I did add a little bit of oil because it was less. Now I fry my onions. So 1 big large onion. So if you want to speed up your frying process, add a little bit of salt and fry these onions until they turn golden brown. So you can see my onions have already turned golden brown. Now let's start to make our chicken curry. In the same oil, we fry our chicken, the marinated chicken. So once the chicken has turned crispier from the outside, we remove it. We just want the crispier chicken. That's why we fry the chicken in the beginning. So this is my second batch is also ready. So in the same oil I am adding my whole spices and my onions. Once my onion has turned soft, I add my ginger garlic. You can use ginger garlic paste also. Here I've just crushed them. Once the raw taste, the smell of ginger garlic has gone, I've added my tomatoes and let it cook until the tomatoes turn soft. So now you can see my tomatoes have also turned soft. So now we add our spices. 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon of chicken masala, 1 spoon garam masala and few kasuri methi, the fenugreek leaves, the dried fenugreek leaves. And you can also add salt at this point. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water to my spices, and once the water starts boiling, I add my fried chicken to this mixture and allow it to cook for half an hour. Cover the pot and cook it for 30 minutes. So as our chicken is getting cooked, let's start making our rice. So in this pan I have taken 1 spoon of ghee. Once the ghee has started melting, I add my whole spices into this. I fry these whole spices for half a minute or so. Now I add my rice to this. So I have strained all the water and I've added this rice. I fry this rice for a minute or so. I add a little bit of salt to this mixture, to the rice, and fry the rice in the ghee. Now I also put a little bit of coriander leaves and I add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of basmati rice. So the ratio is 1:2. So now let our rice cook. I cover the pan and wait for 15 minutes. So it also depends upon what type of basmati rice you are using. So mine was, it just took 15 minutes. So you can see my rice has cooked very well. My chicken is also cooked. Now let's do the layering for our chicken biryani. First, I've taken a big vessel. The first layer is the rice, basmati rice layer. So I add my basmati rice. I add some ghee to this. Then I add some chicken. It's hot. So I sprinkle some fried onions, raisins and cashews to our rice mixture. So if you have mint leaves, you can definitely add it. Since I didn't have it, so I've skipped that. So now I add my chicken curry mixture. It's looking delicious. Now again cover it with some rice. Again ghee, fried onions, raisins and cashew nuts, and again cover it with chicken curry. Cover the chicken curry with the last layer of rice. So I can see some lumps of rice, so I just try to break it and then cover it. The last layer is of rice. Now you can garnish with whatever you want. I've used coriander leaves. Now you can see I've used some aluminium foil for the dum process. You can alternatively use your atta as well, wheat atta or maida atta, anything. So cover it with aluminium foil and cook it for 20 minutes. Let's finally look how our chicken dum biryani looks. I'm tearing my aluminium foil to check. Wow, superb. Looks gorgeous. Let's dig into it. You can really smell the chicken and the curry smell. It's awesome. Nice. Thank you for watching.